Any luck?
Oh yeah. Oh. No. Go down.
We're gonna try these bass out for a minute on this bank, see what will happen. Put in that whipper knot. We're gonna try Namazine Creek out here real quick. I caught a giant here a couple years ago with my homeboy Jason Brooks in his old boat, his old Ranger. Gonna do a little graphing. Do a little graphing, a whole lot of crappie right there in that ditch back there. That's what they're fishing for. Matter of fact, I want to get in this ditch real quick and see if I can find some fish. There's a ditch that runs through here. It's real shallow up here, or shallow flat up here. I'm gonna just fish this bait line over here real quick with a crankbait and see what transpires. So y'all stay tuned to Rippin' Lips INC on YouTube. As always, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. You get my recent uploads. That's how we do. And I thank you for watching.